OpEffects Crystal Analysis Machine, or C.A.M, is a machine designed to analyze crystals and provide funds for the facility. This video will demonstrate to you how to operate the C.A.M, from placing the crystals to calibration and to operation. The crystals can be gathered from the upside down and come in 4 types: red, yellow, green and blue, with green being unprocessed uranium, which should not be placed into the C.A.M. When the crystal is placed into the C.A.M dish, the operator can then close the blast door to the main area and spin up the main rotors. This will then activate the calibration phase. C.A.M calibration is completed in the lower chamber on 3 levels with identical tasks: fuses, valves and a Synchroscope. On the inside of each floor is a console, with a screen which displays one of 5 colours. Using that, you can consult this 5-page document on how to solve each module. Here is a brief rundown on how to solve each module. The valves can be solved by referencing this table, where 1 is all the way to the right and 0 is all the way to the left. On the first floor, the colour is orange, so only the blue valve needs to be turned on. The fuses are the most complex calibration module of the C.A.M. You reference this table and follow the cable from the labels to the switches. In this case, it should be in this configuration. If the fuses are successfully set, you can pull this switch and continue to the next module. Otherwise it will spark and you need to recheck the switches. Finally is a Synchroscope, which can lag, which is a counterclockwise rotation, or lead, which is a clockwise movement. To solve this module, you will have to slow down the needle and get it to point directly upwards with a small margin of error by pressing this button. Once all 3 modules are calibrated, you return inside to the operations console and press the button. This will activate a laser in the center of the room and make the level flash red. You repeat this process 3 times until there are 4 consecutively flashing levels, which means each calibration is complete and you may return to the control room. You can then press the Begin Test button and the analysis will begin. The test will last 100 seconds, 1 second for every percent. But beware, every 33% there's a chance of an anomaly. There are 2 types, minor and major anomalies. They can range from disintegrating you, to changing your colour, to opening doors and using buttons. During the test, the more crystals there are, the higher the chance of an anomaly, with unprocessed uranium, the green crystal, causing a 100% chance of there being an anomaly. Once the test is complete, the facility will receive funds, and the crystal or crystals disintegrate. And that is how you operate the C.A.M. Simple, right?